Welcome friends. This video series is about Adobe Photoshop CS6. Photoshop, as you know, is a great tool for photo editing, web designing, video editing and creating content. There are a variety of professionals use Photoshop for their professional daily work. Throughout this video series, we are going to learn basics and fundamentals of Photoshop and some advanced techniques so that you will be able to use Photoshop in an efficient manner for your work. My suggestion is you learn these lessons and then you try and practice these lessons yourself. This is how you can make the most out of this course. You will not need any prerequisite skills to attempt this course. Yes, some basic knowledge of computing and operating system will be helpful. Now, from the second lesson, we will start exploring this great tool, Photoshop. So, I hope you will enjoy and learn a lot out of this video series. Thank you very much.